Zela, good evening, welcome here in Slovak studio.
Good evening.
I am very happy that you come here. My first question is about the atmosphere. Tomorrow will be the first week in these championships. How are you satisfied with the atmosphere and of course with the organization? Moja prvá otázka znela, ako je pán Fázel spokojný s atmosférou a s organizáciou majstrovstiev.
Very much. I mean, I'm very much satisfied. I mean, when you see the opening game in Gelsenkirchen with 77,803 spectators. And I mean, we were lucky also for the German team that they come to the second round with great fans. I mean, the Russian games this afternoon with 17,000, the day before with 18,500. Not only the home team, but also especially the Russian team doing very well here in Cologne.
Takže pán prezident hovorí, že je veľmi spokojný, samozrejme vďaka tomu, že bola vysoká návštevnosť, špeciálne pri tom prvom stretnutí, keď padol svetový rekord, keď tam bolo vyše 77 000 divákov, ale potom aj pri ďalších samozrejme zápasoch. A takisto je spokojný s tým, že postúpili do ďalších súbojov aj nemeckí hokejisti a takisto ruskí, ktorí majú vynikajúcich fanúšikov. My second questions. Ako vníma výkony slovenského tímu? What can you say about Slovak team?
I mean, it's a very young team. We have only 3 NHLers. The good goalie is still in. I mean, Buda is for sure good. I mean, coming from Colorado, but Halak is doing really great in Montreal. And we have also, you know, I'm personally a fan of Miroslav Satan. I hope he will win, but if he wins, he will not be here for the next week. But we still have a couple players not being here from the NHL. But it's a young team and they're doing well. I mean, at the moment, leading 3-0. Why not?
Je to mladý tím a samozrejme ocenil jeho výkony a jeho nebojacnosť, napriek tomu, že nemá dostatok skúseností. Ocenil výborného brankára Petra Budeja, ďalšieho Haláka máme samozrejme v Montreale. A ešte spomenul aj Mira Šatana, ktorý mu osobne chýba, ktorý je jeho osobným priateľom, ale dúfal samozrejme, že sa našim hokejistom podarí postúpiť čo najďalej. Maybe who will be in the final, Slovakia and Switzerland?
I don't know. I mean, we still have a very strong, as I said, Russian team. We have the Swedes, we have the Czechs. We have still a very strong Canadian team too. But the Finns also, be careful. I mean, they were not having a good start, but knowing the Finns, I'm sure they will be strong for the end.
It was, of course, a little joke, but maybe. Pýtal som sa, či môže byť vo finále Slovensko a Švajčiarsko, ale hovoril pán prezident, že samozrejme sú tu veľmi silné týmy, Ruska, Švédska, Česká a tak ďalej, takže sa to ešte len uvidí, ale že možno aj Slovensko sa dostane ďaleko. We have many discussions about signification of the year when we have Olympic Games and of course World Championship. What about this?
I mean, you can see here, I'm sure they're going to have more than 400,000 spectators. It's very successful here in Germany with the World Championships. We have different players for sure because some of the players are injured or tired of the big stars. But it's a great opportunity for younger players to be here. I think personally we have a very good level here at the moment. It's an underdog championship with Norway, Denmark playing very well and being the big surprise. And the fans, I mean, at the end, we do this for the fans. And if we have over 400,000 fans watching these games, what can we do? This is the answer. This is for the fans and very successful.
Pýtal som sa na to, že ako vníma to, že v jednom roku sa veľa hovorí o tom, keď sú olympijské hry a majstrovstvá sveta. Je to príležitosť samozrejme pre nových hráčov, pre mladých hráčov, ale aj pre týmy, ktoré sú tak trochu v ústraní a ktoré sa neocitnú na výslni a nakoniec bolo tu niekoľko prekvapení. The last question, please. Next year will be the World Championships in Slovakia. What do you expect of this?
Oh, I'm really looking forward. I mean, I like Slovakia, Bratislava, and you have great hockey fans in Slovak. I mean, we can see here we have many Slovak hockey fans coming in and watching the games. It's a hockey country, and Bratislava is a great city. We have a new arena. We go to Košice. It will be a great championship, and I just tell the fans they should buy the tickets as soon as possible.
Takže pán prezident Fázel sa teší na šampionát v Bratislave, pretože Slovensko je hokejovou krajinou a má vynikajúcich fanúšikov a že dúfa, že budú vstupenky veľmi rýchlo vypredané. Thank you for the short interview. Here is our the little souvenir. It's a sport channel. Maybe the place for Slovak team here.
Why not? I mean, we will see, but thank you very much for the gift. Thank you.
Bye-bye.